welcome back viewers and the subscribers to another video. So we are going to talk about what the description of the video say. Popcaan DISS Versi the road cover instantly as him try to promote a song. So stick around, we are going to talk about enough little thing. End of the day, this is just a reminder so you can subscribe before watching, you see me? So make we get into the interesting topic quick and fast. Versi and Popcaan at it right now. I mean, who know? But they know say them with good actually way back. So Versi a promote one song, and you know in the description him have me and the man we introduce Ramesh in a music, right for King Beanie Man, right for Ground Godzilla. Me help Billy unruly, yeah, because me been unruly from my name shatter me in a music and them couldn't rule me. Real man all I say acting, have him style and still I use him style. He must say a couple things guys. If you really ask me, if you look good in the comment section, Beanie comment, acting comment, so basically I just fox him, been attack end of the day. So I don't know why Popcaan take it so offensive in a way, but Popcaan actually react guys, and in a film situation this a way him say blunted blatant. Popcaan say yo PUSSY, all me a try avoid one of these mangoes, still a try follow me up. Wull, oh you for build and roll and you can't or even build your own self. You see me? So the I say yo every day you envy me. Stop and go bust your brain, you see it? Make good music, Wull. You see me, you have a big platform and never share it with me, I'm share mine with you. So end of the day, man, I say I'm tired of them, and man, all I say I'm bless up them end of the day and at the end. So I'm conclude it good and I try pretty it up. But you don't I say it in a disrespectful way. I mean, but you don't know him event, you see me, but for me, you know, I understand say facts in it because a Versi that you know him one of the man we bring him on the amount of view. You see me in the first half on the ground. I'm not gonna ask that. You see me, and end of the day I just feel like some could have deal with it different, but I just one of them one day, you see me. I could see what I go on after do.
So I wake up and see a message from a young lady. She like, hey, what's up? I'm your new future Dolly. I'm like, how can you be a future Dolly and I don't saw you in Jahsii a new video? She like, oh, shut the fuck up. I'm like, mom, calm down. I don't saw you in Jahsii video, so you cannot be a Dolly. So all these young girls keep posting about Dolly this, Dolly that. If you're not in Jahsii video, use no Dolly.
So people must see that video all over the place, you see me. I mean, when it comes to certain things, I just love it. But him as an artist, I claim to be an artist. I don't know what really I'm going, but people them a flag him and with him nose say to distract them and this and that. And I mean him have a fox end of the day because you have enough Dolly, they have Dolly and Batchy Dolly and thing. You have to make yourself selective, and dog said smooth still him couldn't show shades to though. You know. And yeah, cause Rebel and TC them in night guys. I mean, what they are what you have got. So as for Jashii peeps, I mean great interview my boss said me, but what they are want you know say end of the day can't do them something they have yourself loose, you see me? Cause from what they everybody notice so he might get locked up, and this is the last video, you see me?
You know, yeah, man.
Oh, okay. Yeah, on the night, the morning, the New Year morning. So pleasant that go on. Take it back. Alright then, later.
you say back around there, mix much nice. I think they made. You say it be more short around there.
Hello, sir. Yes. Only bro, what do you want to know about him? No, yes,
JP99,
maybe that I could go down tomorrow morning, sir. I mean, later because it's after 12 now, so maybe tomorrow morning that. I'll be done meeting here tomorrow morning. No, the person. Miss Brown, you have any bill of farm?
yeah.
The person who come here.
Don't know why I want it.
Straight.
I like him up in New Year.
Tomorrow morning, because the bill of
No, make you come fine, man. No, make you work. Yeah, man, supposing can go get the JP.
One over
So make you never carry ID.
Yeah, I did it.
You carry ID?
No, I'm not his ID. I don't remember.
Film ID. If you did have film ID, you could have get him one
the
shorty.
person who bill him have to have a light bill or water bill supposed to be in there.
I let the JP write a letter saying more. You not to take a picture come right now.
Okay, alright.
No.
I know you not in though, understand me, you said to him, Miss Brown.
If you have a 50,000 JP, I will write you up. If you don't pay that bill or water bill in your name, make the JP write a letter saying no, you are where you live.
Okay, so what about my land paper?
Eh?
You don't need land
I
title.
shall do this with take up the bike.
Alright, alright.
Clock say him alright.
Okay. You know, say back in the night. I knew you ready. And you have to go get him on the bike. You will.
You don't say me shit in yourself.
Make it shitty nice. Poor man them come. They'll be pay back a feedback for no one rocky hill. Alright, I'm come phone. Put it damn phone. You two take it fling away. This Friday again.
Put on the same video.
Hmm?
I beat the video.
I beat me this video.
I want to have more people in my carry again. Like I want to carry more people in around 3 or 4 or something.